Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and it's good to be back. My little Makies girl had a little reindeer, and I had an idea, so I had Darren make her another reindeer, and I got it painted because I had seen this in Walmart, and I thought, you know what? I bet my Makies can sit in that. So I'm gonna save this bow. Oh, maybe it ties on. It does. I need
zip ties on.
Yeah, but let me, right here. Here we go. Okay, so let's see what kind of goodies this has. This was really a good deal. This is a little metal sleigh, and it comes with all this chocolate, and it was less than $17. I thought that was really, I mean, as far as other prices, I will reuse this bag. Well, maybe not. I was going to say I could put fabric in it, but that's a lot of glitter. Oh, that's cute. All right, so, sorry.
More packaging than chocolate, but
That's okay.
yeah, still looking forward to it.
I thought there was a seat in here, but it's got some good chocolate. Look at that. And hot chocolate to boot. All right, let's see what I really want. And believe it or not, that's not a bad fit. And it's gonna look really cute with some cord tied around those, and we make her a little seat in there. That's pretty doggone cute. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.